this is the Dustbuster AdvancedClean Plus model HSVK 320J10, one of the most beloved cordless hand vacuum based on our research. It has a large dust bowl with a quick release design. It has an integrated crevice tool in the nozzle, and it offers 2 power modes. We picked this up for around $60 on Amazon, and it comes with a 2-year limited warranty. Let's check it out now, shall we? Welcome to ShouldIT Vacuum Cleaner series. Good day, folks. My name is Bê Nguyen, and welcome back to our ShouldIT Vacuum Cleaner series. In this video, we're going to unbox this cordless handheld vacuum from BLACK+DECKER to see what is in the package when you order one online. We'll also be giving our first impression on the product's build quality, design, and its general features. So, now, as we can see, beside the user manual, it's just the vacuum and the charger. There are no other accessories. The manual has all the information you need regarding the product specs and functionality, so make sure to give it a read. The charger is rated for 120 volt, so make sure you have the appropriate power output before you plug it in and charge the vacuum. And remember to charge the cleaner for at least 5 hours before your first use. Now the cleaner itself, this is the power button. You press it once to turn it on, press again for the boost mode, and a third time to turn it off, like this. The button does the work, but nothing impressive in terms of quality. When powered up, the battery indicators show how much charge is left. When charging, the display will flash, indicating that it's working. The vacuum looks well made and feels very solid in my hand, which is always a good sign, of course. The dust bowl is very large. You can press this latch right here, orange latch, and it quickly opens. From here you can remove the filter. Let me do it. This is a 2-piece. Like that. You put it back. Like so. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Now the crevice tool is built in with the nozzle, which adds even more reach to an already extended range. As you can see, this is awesome for tight spaces with a lot of crevices. Now let's give the vacuum a quick test to see how it works freshly out of the box. We have here some cornflakes. Let's crush them. Get it real messy. And let's see. Now suction feels great, and the boost mode clearly speeds things up a bit. And the dust bowl releases and cleans out easily as well. A very well-made unit in general. If you're looking for a solid one with convenient features like child level display and power boost mode, definitely check this one out if you have the chance. And that's it for our first impression on this BLACK+DECKER Dustbuster AdvancedClean Plus cordless hand vacuum. If you like a more in-depth review, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more upcoming videos and give us a like or share if you enjoy them. Also, consider buying from the link in the description to support us if you're interested in ordering the product. Thank you for watching ShouldIT, and we'll see you in the next video.